Today's recipe, Chihuahua-style flour tortillas. Ingredients: a kilogram of flour, a tablespoon of sugar, a tablespoon of salt, a pinch of baking powder, 4 tablespoons of white vegetable shortening, 3/4 of a liter of hot water to knead. The flour is emptied into a suitable container. The sugar, salt, and baking powder are added, and everything is mixed perfectly. Then the vegetable shortening is added, stirring very well. Start kneading and put it on the table, then continue kneading energetically. Of course, the table must be perfectly clean and free from dust. Then the testals are made, ensuring that they are uniform in size, covered with a tablecloth and left to rest for 10 minutes. The testals are extended to make the tortillas. When spreading them, try to make them round, of the right size and not too thick. As the tortillas are getting ready, they are put to cook on the comal, at moderate temperature, turning them approximately every 30 seconds. Once each tortilla has been turned 3 times, it is pressed with the iron and lifted from the comal with a small paddle, and placed on a tablecloth, or on an extended plate. 1 kilo of flour yields approximately 25 tortillas. I hope this video has been useful to you. Thanks for watching and please subscribe to my channel. Shava ta'in.